Hi, I'm Aisling from Tall Merchant. I'm here with Chris, who has just installed this stunning silver acoustic feature wall in the grey colour in his new build. Chris, let's have a chat about why you did this acoustic wall.
So basically we were looking at this media wall for the last 4 years and not knowing what to do with it or how to finish it, and I was probably looking at the acoustic range, and then when the silver backing came in, we decided that was the one to go with. So it just makes definitely a more expensive looking feature of the wall now.
The silver colour is beautiful, but did you have acoustic problems in this house with sound reverberation?
And we did as well, so we kind of killed two birds with one stone. So we have a small baby, so at night you're very conscious of how high to have the TV, and we've definitely noticed a difference with the sound travelling since we installed this. So
yeah, okay, so basically the sound is not travelling up to the bedroom.
No,
yeah,
definitely
okay.
not as much.
And did you find it easy to install, I suppose?
Yeah, like as in I'd be handy, but I wouldn't be a carpenter by any means, so it was quite easy to work with and quite easy to install, and then your cuts on your felt part are quite easy to work with as well, so you could try this as a DIY project yourself, definitely.
It's a beautiful feature wall. Thank you for letting us into your home.
No problem.